There are a lot of moving companies out there, but do they offer you full-time, professionally trained home movers, free online quotes with guaranteed accuracy, free walkthroughs, free 7-day storage, same-day moves, and specialty moves for pianos and other hard-to-move items? Apache Home Movers does. Whether you're needing to move out of a small studio apartment or a large 5-bedroom home, we'll do it all, from disassembling furniture to setting up your new living room. When you hire us, you'll always get full-time, fully trained professional movers, and that means fewer scuff marks and quicker, more efficient moves. Need storage? We've got that taken care of as well. Our 17,000 square foot warehouse is not only climate controlled, but has quarterly exterminations to keep bugs and rodents out. Call us today to see how we can serve you at 512-280-3388 or visit apachemoving.net.